Hey crypto fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your Crypto Specialization owner, and today we've got a mind-blowing topic to dive into. We're talking about something that could change the entire landscape of the crypto market, altcoin season and Bitcoin's potential to hit $225,000 by 2025. Yep, you heard that right. Stick around because we're going to break down all the factors that could make this happen. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest in the world of crypto. And of course, leave a comment below with your thoughts on Bitcoin's future and the altcoin market. Do you think Bitcoin can really hit $225? Let's talk about it. All right, so let's break this down. The term altcoin season is something we hear a lot in the crypto community, and it's usually associated with a massive rally in altcoins, or cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, when they start to outperform the king of all cryptos. But what does altcoin season mean exactly, and why are we saying it's happening now? Let's first understand what it is and why the timing might be perfect for this. Altcoin season is a term used to describe periods in the crypto market when altcoins experience a significant increase in value relative to Bitcoin. Typically, this happens when Bitcoin's price has stabilized or slowed down, and investors start to shift their attention towards altcoins with the potential for higher returns. Now, why does altcoin season happen? Well, when Bitcoin reaches a certain price level, a lot of investors who have been riding the Bitcoin wave start looking for opportunities to diversify their portfolios. They begin putting money into other projects that they believe will outperform Bitcoin. It's like a shift of focus from the top dog to emerging challengers. Take a look at this chart. You'll see that during altcoin season, Bitcoin's dominance starts to drop, and the altcoins take the spotlight. You'll notice coins like Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and even smaller projects seeing massive gains. It's an exciting time for altcoin enthusiasts and can lead to some jaw-dropping profits. So why do we think altcoin season is starting now? Well, there are a couple of key factors that suggest this could be the beginning of a major shift. First up, let's talk about Bitcoin's price action. Bitcoin has been on a tear lately. It's broken past key resistance levels, and while it's still consolidating, we're seeing more and more institutional money flowing in. That's a positive indicator for Bitcoin's long-term price. But here's the kicker. When Bitcoin reaches new all-time highs or stays at these elevated levels for a prolonged period, many investors start looking elsewhere for higher returns. And that's when we see altcoin season begin. Also, let's not forget the Ethereum 2.0 upgrades and the growing use of decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and smart contract platforms. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has a lot going for it, and as Bitcoin stabilizes, Ethereum and other altcoins have the chance to shine. You've got platforms like Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot all evolving rapidly. Their use cases are expanding, and these coins have the potential to pump hard during altcoin season. Plus, don't sleep on newer projects that could blow up in the coming months. All right, now let's get to the million-dollar question. Can Bitcoin actually hit $225,000 by 2025? Well, this is a big question, but it's one that a lot of analysts are already speculating on. So, let's break down the key factors that could drive Bitcoin to that kind of price. Let's start with the Bitcoin halving cycle. Every 4 years, Bitcoin undergoes a halving event where the reward for mining blocks is cut in half. This creates scarcity in the market, and historically, it's led to a massive bull run in the years that follow. We're currently in the aftermath of the 2024 halving event, so we're on track for a price surge in 2025, just like we've seen after previous halvings. If you look at Bitcoin's price in the years following the 2012 and 2016 halvings, you'll see huge price increases. With more people entering the space, more institutional investors getting involved, and Bitcoin continuing to be recognized as a store of value, we could be on the brink of a huge price spike again. Another factor is institutional adoption. As we've seen recently, Bitcoin is no longer just a retail investor's game. Major companies and hedge funds are putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets. Think MicroStrategy, Tesla, and even countries like El Salvador that are embracing Bitcoin as legal tender. As more institutions get involved, the demand for Bitcoin will only continue to increase. In addition to that, we have the global economic landscape. With inflation concerns and currency devaluation in various parts of the world, Bitcoin is increasingly seen as a hedge against fiat currency weakness. If these macroeconomic trends continue, more people will flock to Bitcoin as a safe haven, further driving the price up. Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins is another factor to consider. We've already seen the impact of this limited supply during previous bull markets. As demand increases and the supply remains fixed, the price will naturally rise. And with more institutional interest and more countries adopting Bitcoin, that demand is only going to grow. This could very well lead us to that $225,000 price target in 2025. Okay, so while Bitcoin's rise is important, let's not forget that the altcoin market plays a huge role in the overall crypto ecosystem. As Bitcoin breaks new highs and the altcoin market gains steam, we could see some serious rallies in altcoins that might outperform Bitcoin in the short term. Coins like Ethereum, Binance Coin, and others with real-world utility have a lot of room to grow. DeFi platforms, Layer 2 solutions, and NFTs are becoming mainstream, and the coins that power these ecosystems could explode in value. These altcoins have real-world use cases, which means their value is not just speculation. It's backed by actual demand. So to wrap things up, altcoin season is starting now, and Bitcoin could very well hit $225 by 2025, given the current trends and historical data. The combination of Bitcoin's halving cycle, institutional adoption, and the overall economic situation could push the price to new heights. And don't forget about the altcoins. They could steal the spotlight during this bull run. Of course, as always, nothing is guaranteed in the world of crypto. The market is volatile, and while the indicators look promising, unexpected events can always change the direction. But one thing is for sure, the future of cryptocurrency is looking incredibly bright, and we're on the edge of something big. Whether it's Bitcoin hitting new records or altcoins exploding in value, there's a lot to be excited about right now. So, what do you think? Do you believe Bitcoin can really hit $225 in 2025? And are you ready for altcoin season to take off? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. And of course, make sure to subscribe if you want more in-depth analyses and updates on all things crypto. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay informed. See you in the next video, Crypto Family.